Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to buy your first cryptocurrency and then move it to the Binance exchange where we are going to be trading. But this video is going to be about how to buy, how to purchase your first Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you like. So I will show you two ways. The first one is through the platform Coinbase. The second one is directly from Binance. Now, in Binance, you can already buy directly cryptocurrency with credit and debit card, right? But they have high fees. So if you don't really want to pay these fees, I will show you a better way to go about it. But if you are willing to pay the fees, you can just buy directly with your Visa or MasterCard. You can buy, let's see what they have. They have Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, Ripple, BAT, or you can just buy I mean buy USDT or BUSD. So this is the easiest way actually, just to buy through Binance with your credit and debit card, but it's expensive, right? Because they will charge you high fees. So the other way to go about it is to buy through Coinbase and then to send the cryptocurrency over to Binance, because we are going to be, I will show you how to trade on Binance. On Binance it's much more cheaper to trade, plus there is a lot more coins to trade and a lot more liquidity. It's much better to trade on Binance than on Coinbase, but for the purpose to purchase your first cryptocurrency, I advise you to use Coinbase. And on Coinbase you have also choices, right? You can, let's see, you can deposit through, oh, I have to log in again, just a moment. Let me just put my two-step verification. Okay, now we are in. So this is how you log in into Coinbase, right? Now you can deposit from Coinbase. Actually, you can buy directly with a credit and debit card as well, but they are charging you. Let me first show you. So you can, from Coinbase again, you can buy directly with debit and credit cards, but they are going to charge you 4%, right? 4% for instant buy with debit cards, and it's 4%. Here you can see it depends where you are, but it's basically 4% everywhere, right? So what we are going to do, you can still buy here, purchase, but instead of buying on Coinbase, you can there, if you want to buy with debit card or credit card, just buy directly from Binance. Plus there are, on Coinbase there are limits, basically on your account there are weekly limits that you can purchase with debit cards. For example, right now my limits are, let's see how much, I think 1000 a week, but I'm not even using it. Let's go to the setting, payment methods, account limits. Okay, so yeah, I have, but my account is verified up to level 2 and I have 1000 a week limit, right? So if you want to buy for a bigger amount of that, you cannot really buy. Even if you register now, you are not even going to have this limit. It's going to be lower than that. And again, if you want to buy with credit or debit card, just buy directly from Binance. On Coinbase, we are on Coinbase because I will show you another way to go about it, which is free basically. Now it's this one, bank transfer. I will show you how to buy with bank transfer from Coinbase, and it's going to be free, and you can withdraw in the same way with bank transfer, and it's going to be just 50 cents or 50 cents, right? So you are going to have to link a new account right here. You will go in your here in your account in the settings, and I already linked account, right? But you are going to go here and link a new account. So you see they accept only Euro bank accounts, but I will show you how to go about it. And then you will just going to link your bank account, the bank name, the IBAN, the SWIFT, the big code. They will ask you to send them a little bit of money in order to verify, just 1 or 2 euros. It's going to be in your account, and this is how you are going verified, and you are going to be linked. And now once your account is linked, just like you can see here, I have linked account. At any time you can deposit euros in Coinbase, or you can withdraw euros from Coinbase. Yeah, so this is how is it, and it's free, right? Or 15 cents when you withdraw. Now you see that I linked a Revolut account. What is Revolut? I will show you now a Revolut, because it's very good to open a Revolut account. It's free. It's free to get this account. It's free. You don't have any. It's Revolut is a bank basically, but online bank without physical offices, right? And it's very good. I'm using it already a long time. I never had issues. They have support 24/7. If you need something, they are always very helpful. And they are very, very, very good. They are doing instant. I mean, the bank transaction that you are going to send from the Revolut to the Coinbase, it's free. They don't charge anything on basically they don't charge anything. Even if you exchange currencies from within the app, they don't charge you anything. It's just very, very good app. So I advise you to get the app on your phone, to register, get the app. And then how you will put the money in the Revolut, you can top up your Revolut account, bank account, with a debit card, right? And it's free unless you are, let's see the fees. It's free, I think, unless you are in US or something like that. So let's see, add money free. So if you have a US based card, for example, there will be a small fee just to cover the cost. But this is how you are going to add money to your Revolut account. Now in Revolut, you can open accounts in any currency that you like, and you can have as much as accounts as you want. It's free. You can have USD account, you can have GBP account, British pound, you can have a Canadian dollar, US dollar, whatever currencies you want. You can open accounts there. It's all free, and you can exchange in between these currencies for free as well. But of course, you have monthly limit of exchange. And if you, for I think it's like 5,000 for me right now, GBP, which is big enough, I guess. And you can exchange currencies, because you see in Coinbase you are going to need to send euro, right? But don't worry about it. You can deposit in your Revolut bank account dollars, convert it into euro for free, with the best rates possible, because they are offering, the Revolut are offering. Sorry, I have some alarms from the trading. So the Revolut, they are offering exchange rates that are like basically the best. You cannot find exchange rates like that. So you can deposit USD or whatever currency you are. It depends where you are, and then convert it within the app into euro, and then send it to Coinbase. And from Coinbase you will buy the cryptocurrency, send it to Binance. It's a little bit complicated. You have to do a few steps, but it's free. So if you want to save on your purchases, this is how you can do it. If you don't want, just buy directly with debit card from Binance. But now, since I showed you the Revolut where you can deposit, from the Revolut you will link your bank account with the Coinbase, and then you will be set to go. Once you deposit, let's see now how you are going to deposit into Coinbase. One, you link your account, you will just go to your portfolio, and you will click there, and you will click deposit. You will enter your bank name, the full account name, and the amount basically that you are going to deposit. This is it. From the Revolut, you already linked your bank account with Coinbase, right? So it's just going to be easy to send it. And this is how you can go about it. If you don't want to use Revolut, you can use any bank account. You can use your existing bank account that you have right now, but be aware that they will be charging you every time, I guess, when you are sending money to Coinbase. Even though Coinbase are not going to charge you, your bank is going to charge you for the transfers, right? And for the exchange of the currencies, the bank will charge you for everything basically. This is why I'm giving you this Revolut solution. But now, once you already have money in the Revolut, your fiat money are already in the Revolut, I will show you how to go about to buy crypto without paying the fees. Because if you again buy if you buy the crypto in here in the Coinbase with your dollars, again they will charge you. For example, if you press here trade, and if you have money, it will be shown here, and you buy Bitcoin here or sell, they will be charging you again. But the way to avoid these fees is to go to Coinbase Pro. Now this is a little bit of a trick, right? Coinbase Pro, it's basically the same. They are under the same company, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. So if you want to avoid all these fees, you will go to Coinbase Pro. You will log in with the same credentials that you have in Coinbase. Probably if you press login, it's going to log in automatically with the same account in Coinbase because they are under the same company. Now Coinbase Pro is a trading exchange, right? So what you are going to do here is you're going to click on deposit, and you are going to click on euro. And what you are going to do is you are going to transfer funds instantly from your Coinbase account to Coinbase Pro. Now I don't have money in the Coinbase, but here when you have it will be shown up. You will press the maximum, everything, and you will deposit the fiat money, the euro, from the Coinbase to the Coinbase Pro. Why you are doing that? Because you will be able to buy here a cryptocurrency with very, very small fees. Now once you deposited your euro in the Coinbase Pro, you will just simply, if you want, you can market buy here, for example Ethereum, or you can go, here is the basically the cryptos. So you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Whitecoin, Bitcoin Cash use, XOM, blah blah blah. Now to transfer to Binance, if you buy Bitcoin, it's going to be the slowest transfer. So I advise you to buy, let's say, Ethereum. So you can buy Ethereum with your euros. Now let's say that you already bought Ethereum with your euros. Now you are going to do the opposite process. You will withdraw Ethereum or whatever currency that you bought here. If you bought Bitcoins, you will click on Bitcoin. But for the example, we said that we're going to withdraw to buy Ethereum. Now you are going to withdraw to your Coinbase account, or if you want, you can directly withdraw to the crypto address, which is going to be the Binance. But let me show you the Coinbase account. So you will basically withdraw to the Coinbase account your Ethereum, and it's instant, right? The moment you click it, it's already going to be in your the Ethereum is going to be in your Coinbase account. When you click withdraw, the Ethereum will be right here already. Now from here you will go where your assets are. You will pick the Ethereum and you will send it. You will send it to Binance. How you're gonna send it? You will click here the button send. I cannot really click it hard now because I don't have any Ethereum here, but you will click it and it will show you the details, the address that you want to send it with. This I mean the address that you want to send it to. Now how you will find this address? This is Binance, right? This is the Binance, this is the exchange where we are going to be trading. So to find your addresses, your deposit addresses, you have to go to wallet, spot wallet. It's for deposit and withdrawals, right? You will go to your spot wallet. Now here you will search for the coin that you want to deposit, right? In this case it's Ethereum and it's the first one, but you can search and it will show up, right? So it's Ethereum, so you are going to click here deposit, and this is it basically. This here you will see your address that you are going to deposit. You don't click anything else, it's already by default wherever it should be. You will just copy your address here. This is your deposit Ethereum address, right? So whatever coin you are going to deposit, you have to pick the coin, pick the deposit address, then go back to Coinbase, click the send, paste the address and click send, right? So this is how you are going to send from Coinbase to Binance. And once your money are in Binance, in the next video I will show you already how to start trading, right? How to start trading with your crypto and make some money. But this is it for this video. The other way around is when you want to withdraw. If you again want to withdraw for almost free with very small fees, you will do the opposite process. Actually, you will go to the withdraw. Here in the Coinbase you will go to the deposit, basically here receive. You will click I understand. Now this is your wallet address for Ethereum. You will click here to copy the address. In Binance, what you are going to do, you will go to the Ethereum. We are already here on withdraw. Now we are going to withdraw Ethereum, right? So you will paste here the recipient address, which is your Coinbase address. You will press the amount of Ethereum and you will click submit. This is how you are going to withdraw. Once your money are in Coinbase, you will do the same process. You will go to the because you are going to have cryptocurrency in Coinbase, right? You cannot withdraw crypto to your bank account. So what you are going to have to do is to do the same process but on the opposite, right? So you are going to go again to Coinbase Pro. It's basically pro.coinbase.com. You will go to deposit your Ethereum from Coinbase, transfer all your Ethereum to Coinbase Pro. Now here with the order form you will sell your Ethereum for euros. Basically click here sell. You can market sell it, maximum Ethereum, sell it to euros, or you can limit sell it with limit orders. I will show you the type of orders on the next video when we go about the trading with the Binance. You will sell it, then you will withdraw. You will withdraw. Now you will have euro, right? Because you sold your Ethereum to euro. You will withdraw your euro to the Coinbase. And once you have it in the Coinbase, you will just withdraw. Let's go back here in the portfolio. Now you will have euro in your account. You will click withdraw and from here you will withdraw to your bank account, which is going to be Revolut. And from the Revolut you can send money anywhere. You can, Revolut again is a bank. You can even get a bank a debit card if you like to, and you can just use it as your debit card to pay some stuff or whatever you like to. So this is it for this video, and in the next one we will already be going to how to trade and use our money that we sent to Binance. Hello guys, now in this video I want to show you with real example how you can buy cryptocurrency in Coinbase and then transfer it to Binance. So as you can see, I deposited euro to my Coinbase account. I already explained to you how you can deposit euro before. Now let's see how to buy. Instead of, let's first see if I want to buy Bitcoin here, one-time purchase. Actually we cannot really here you can see the fee now. So the fee are 0.5% if I buy directly from Coinbase. So I don't want to pay 1.5%, right? So I will show you a way how to pay less than that. Now you will open Coinbase Pro, just like I showed you before, Pro Coinbase, and then let's see how it's gonna look like. Now you will have the option to log in, right? And when you click login, I think it will automatically log in because Coinbase Pro and Coinbase is basically the same company, right? So as you can see, it automatically log in with the same account that I'm logging into Coinbase. So I did not really have to put my credentials. Now you will go here to this button to deposit, and you will deposit euro. You will pick euro. You will deposit euro from coinsbase.com, right? You can see that you have two options, SEPA transfer at coinbase.com. You will click here maximum amount, or you will manually put if you want to another amount, and then you will see there is no fees when you transfer money from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. There is zero fees, even if you transfer crypto, or I mean whatever you are transferring, and it's instant. As you can see, the moment you click deposit, you will see the funds right here. Done. Bam, the funds are right here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to buy some Ethereum. Now, as you can see, there is fee here also. Before they did not have fees, and they had zero fees before, but now they have a little bit of a fee here as well. But it's not 1.5%, right? Because 1.5% from 500 is how much? It's 750, I think, euro. As you can see here, is just 3. So it's much better. Of course, if you are doing smaller amounts, it's not that big of a difference, but if you are transferring big amounts of money, it's the difference is big, yeah. So let me just check if I do a limit order, if there is fees again. Yeah, there is fees again, even if I do a limit order. Let's do what we're gonna do. Let's just do a market order because the fees are the same, right? 2.55. So we will place market order, buy Ethereum at this price. So as you can see, now we have Ethereum. What we are going to do now, click withdraw, and we are going to withdraw Ethereum to Coinbase. Transfer first instantly to Coinbase. You will click max, instant, fee, nothing, bam. Now you will see that we have the money in Coinbase. Now in Coinbase we have Ethereum, right? We no longer have euro, we have Ethereum. Now from Coinbase, you will click here to open the Ethereum, and what you are going to do is you are going to send Ethereum. Now to send crypto you have to get the deposit address, right? So this is Binance. In Binance you will go to your spot wallet, right here, wallet, spot wallet. You will find Ethereum, click on deposit, and here you have this button, copy address, right? So you have to make sure that you are depositing Ethereum, because if you send to another coin here in Binance, you lose the money basically. So you have to make sure that you are depositing Ethereum. Copy the address from here, go back to Coinbase, paste the address, click to send all the Ethereum. Just make sure that the address is the same. It is. Send. Now you will see they have zero fees. So basically what we are sending, 2.7153 Ethereum to our address. Send now. Now we have to put our code here and click confirm. Your send is in progress. This is it basically. Now once they send it, here you will see pending deposit in Binance, but this is not yet processed, so probably we're not gonna see it yet. But if you wait a little bit, you will already see your deposit here, and this is it. Hello guys, and welcome. Now we are going to start where we left off before. So you deposited your Ethereum to your Binance account, right? You remember here is your address that you used to deposit from Coinbase to Binance. Now your deposit is completed. and you can see the balance here. Now I don't really have balance in this account, but if you send, you are going to see your balance right here when your deposit is already basically processed. Now if you want to see the balance, the overall balance of your account, you will go here on the left side, spot wallet balance, and show it right here. You will be able to see the balance of every coin that you have. Now since you deposited Ethereum, you are going to see your Ethereum showing up here, right, at the top, because it's the with the highest value. Now what to do with this Ethereum? You can go now and start trading with it. You will go here to the spot and pick the classic or advanced if you want to use the advanced, but let's first check the classic, right? So what you are going to see right here, now this is the interface. Let's put here the chart. So you have three options here. It's loading a little bit slow. I have many windows open, but anyway, I can close them if I have to. So now this is the interface, right? What on the world can you see here? So now first here, let's go to the exchange, right? Because I was in the margin. Now this is exchange. There is, let's see now, and I will explain you everything. First, let's go to the Ethereum. You can type here Ethereum, but now you can see that here we are in the BTC pairs. Now here are the pairs, right? So these are the pairs available for margin trading. First here are the pairs that you are your favorite, that you click the star here as a favorite. Here are the pairs for margin trading, but we are not going to talk for the margin trading right now. Here are the BNB pairs, the Bitcoin pairs, the altcoins in different pairs, and the fiat pairs. So what we need Ethereum, we need the fiat, USDT, and we have to find Ethereum. You can find it like that when you type it here. So since you have Ethereum, you have two choices. You can basically trade with your Ethereum, or you can sell it to dollars, or you can sell it to Bitcoin. Maybe you just want to hold Bitcoin. Now first let me show you how to sell it to dollars if you want to trade cryptocurrencies against dollars, right? Because in order to be able to trade, right, the base currency that you are going to trade against, you have to pick it and to choose what it's going to be. Is it going to be Ethereum? Is it going to be Bitcoin, USDT, or some other one? Now let's imagine that you want to trade the against USDT, right? So you are going to sell here your Ethereum to USD, right? You are going to sell it to USD, and then with the USD you are going to be trading other coins, right? So what you are going to do, you will, here is going to be your Ethereum balance. You will sell it all you can pick the marketplace and sell it all, or you can set a limit order and pick some price around here and sell your Ethereum to USDT, and then with the USDT you are going to be trading. If you want to sell your Ethereum to Bitcoin and to trade with Bitcoin pairs, you will go here with the Bitcoin pairs, type again Ethereum, and you are going to sell here your Ethereum for Bitcoin, right? And in your wallet you are going to have Bitcoin, and with this Bitcoin now you can pick from all these pairs here, all these cryptos, 200 probably, I think around 200 cryptocurrencies against Bitcoin. You can trade them all against Bitcoin, the whatever, whichever you like, and you can pick. You can just open it and trade it against Bitcoin. Now if you are holding your money in your account in USDT, you will pick here USDT, And again, you have a wide choice of cryptocurrencies again you against USDT that you will be able to trade. And of course, if you are holding your money in Ethereum, you can go here to outs, pick Ethereum, and now you can see all pairs that are available to trade with Ethereum. Basically, the Ethereum that you deposited in your Binance, you will be able to trade with it and other cryptocurrencies as well. Now let's imagine that you decide to trade with Bitcoin, right? So you sold your Ethereum for Bitcoin, now you have Bitcoin in your wallet and you want to trade, let's say, Cardano. What you see first, let me show you everything that you see right here because you might not be familiar. Let's start from the left side, right? So here is the pair that you are trading, Cardano against Bitcoin, right? This is the pair that you are trading. Here is the last price, the last transaction, right? Here is the 24-hour change. So basically for the last 24 hours, it is up 0.51%. Here is the highest price, the lowest price, and the volume. But probably for these examples, it's going to be easier if we pick pair with USDT. Let's pick Bitcoin. Let's imagine that you have dollars, that you sold your Ethereum for dollars, and now you want to trade with these dollars as a base. Your dollars are going to be your base currency that you are going to trade with, and you want to trade Bitcoin against your base currency. So now you can see the last price. You can see the 24-hour change, it's down 3.90%. This is in real time changing. The highest point, it was 9,810. Now you see it's 9,395. The last price, basically you can see it here, and this is the volume. These are basically the transactions that were being completed for the 24 hours. You see it's a big number, right? 715 million, almost $1 billion were being transacted in the 24 hours. Here you have a night mode and a day mode. We already went through this here. Here are going to be the pairs that you want to pick. Now let's move here. What on the world is this, you might be asking? These are the so-called ask and bid, right? So here are the people who are setting buy orders, right? Here are the buyers, here are the sellers. I mean the orders, the people who are buying, and the people who are selling. You can, of course, recognize this by the colors. The green ones are always the one who are buying. The red ones are the one who are selling. So people who are setting their orders to sell, all of them are here. The one who are buying, all of them are here. Here, of course, you have the chart, right? So you have three options here. The original Binance chart, where you will be making your decisions to buy and to sell, and you will be using indicators and stuff. You have trading view option. Trading view is a platform that is a must in my opinion, but you are a beginner, so you can start with using it here with the Binance, but later on you have to register over there and to use it, because this is the platform where you're going to be doing your charting, and here on the Binance you will be just buying and selling. And you have the third option, which is depth. What is this depth? It's basically showing you the orders here. The orders, the green is the buy orders here, the red one is the sell orders here. And when you observe it in details, you can get a lot of information out of that, because how are the transactions being completed, right? For a transactions to be completed, you have to have a buyer and seller, and there, for the price to move, there is a constant fight between buyers and sellers, right? The people who are buyer and who are betting that the price is going to go up, they're jumping in and buying. They're on one side of the fight. On the other side of the fight are the sellers, who are betting that the price will go down, and they are fighting against the buyers, and they are selling, right? So the the market moves. This is, I mean, the transaction and everything, it's a constant fight between buyers and sellers. And if you want to observe this fight in more details, you can use the depth chart as well in real time to see who's stronger. You see buyers are the walls, and all this stuff. But for our trading we are going to use the chart, right? The chart with the candlesticks. Now here is where your orders are going to be. Again, you have three options: exchange, margin, and futures. But for now you just have to know about the exchange, right? Because this is where you are going to be trading. When you pick here the exchange, now you have three options here. These are the orders, but I will go in details in another video about these orders, right? And here of course is the buy option and the sell option, right? Buy option and sell option. Here are the open orders in your exchange account. We don't really have open orders right now, and here is the 24-hour order history, right? But we don't have history on the exchange account. Now this is the classic interface, right? Let's check the advanced interface quick, and then I will show you uh, more details, how to open orders and stuff like that. So here is the advanced interface. It's basically the same, but as you can see, the interface is a little bit different. You have here again the buyers, the sellers. You have the chart here. Above here are the prices, the 24-hour change, high, low, 24-hour volume. Here are going to be your orders, and here is where you place your orders, right? So this is the advanced interface. It's a little bit different, but basically the details are the same. It's just they are on a different place. But we need the easier interface, right? Because this is where we are going to be trading. Yeah, so this is our interface. So basically this is it for this video. It's a little bit of introduction to the interface. Now on the next one we are already going to be completing some orders, and you will see how everything is working. We will be looking at the chart and stuff like that. Hello guys and welcome. Now I will show you with real examples how to execute some orders. And the difference, what is the difference we are going to talk about, what is the difference between the three types of orders that you can see. Now you already got familiarized with the interface, with the Binance interface, right? So you are looking right now at the Bitcoin USDT pair. Now let's quickly show you first what is a market order, right? What is a market order? The market order is an instant order. Basically the moment you click the buy, you are going to be buying at the market price right now. So this is an instant order. You use this order when you want to buy right away at the current price, right? This is when you are using this market order. And I'll show you now how is it working. Let's say that we want to buy 0.01 Bitcoin. Now these percentages under here are basically if you want to buy, you see this is our balance, right? Almost $2,000. So if you want to buy 100% of your balance, I mean if you want to buy Bitcoin with 100% of your balance, you will just simply click this button and you will see here automatically it will put everything that you can buy for this amount of money. The same is with the other percentages. Now for the purpose of the example, let's buy 0.01 Bitcoin, right? So again, this is a market order, and the market order is an instant. It's instantly buying at the market price. The moment I click it, you will see the balance is going to be here. Just look now. Bam. Now we bought it, right? Here down here you can see 24-hour history. You can see the price, the average price that we bought it, and we got filled. Now it's the same for selling, right? Now if you want to sell it, you can just click simply this button and it's going to sell everything that you, I mean it's going to automatically put the number that you have or your balance. You are simply going to sell and you will see the bam, the order got executed right away, right, at this price. So this is the market order. You are using it basically when you want to buy or sell instantly. A limit order is a little bit different. A limit order is when you want to say at a different price than the market price right now, basically, or buy. So if you want to buy at a lower price than the market price right now, you are going to use a limit price, and here you are going to set your price. Let's set here, this is okay, even this is lower than the market price right now. Okay, so you are going to set the amount. You will see here the total amount in USD that you have to pay. You will click buy, and you see now the difference is that your order is not getting executed right away. Your order will only get executed if the price goes below your price, right? This is when your order is going to be executed. The same is on the opposite side when you sell. When you want to sell at a higher price than the current price right now, you will use a limit order. You will set your limit order, and it's going to be executed only if the price goes to your level and above it, right? So this is the limit order. Now you have a third option, which is stop limit order. What is the stop limit? Basically, you have two options here: OCO, one cancels other. That's the what that means, and stop limit. First, the stop limit. The stop limit is a stop loss. So let's say that you bought right now at this price, and you are betting that the Bitcoin will go to a higher price, 9,500, let's say, based on your analysis that you are going to be doing on the chart. However, you cannot be sure that this is going to happen, right? So you have to be protected. In order for you to be protected, because you are not going to sit on the screen 24/7 to watch at the price, and if the price goes down, so you exit, then you have to use this stop limit. So just look at the chart here, and now this is clearly a support, right? I mean, this is a support level here. If you are not familiar with support and resistance and all this stuff, don't worry. But by the way, I have courses on that, so you can check it. It's very good courses. But let's say that you are buying here because you expect the price to go up from here. However, if the price does not go, you have to be protected if the price started to go down, right? So this is when the stop limit comes into place. You might say, okay, see this week right here, you might say, okay, I don't want to let the price goes below this. If it goes below this, I want my order to be closed, right? If the price goes below this level here, which is 9,143, I want to exit my trade that I entered, because it means that I was wrong, it will not go up and it's going down. I have to protect myself and exit. This is where the stop limit comes into play, because you can set it and forget about it and go do whatever you want and enjoy life. And if the price goes below here, automatically your order will be filled and you will exit your position. Basically, let's say that you bought, let's buy some Bitcoin right now. Let's buy some Bitcoin, so I'll show you how to set your stop loss. Now we are going to use a market order because we want to buy at the market price right now. Let's imagine that we see it sitting at support. We think that it's going to go up to here, 9,800. So we are buying now, market price. And we already have our balance, right? 0.01 Bitcoin. Now, we want to be protected, so we are going to use the stop limit. Click here, use the stop limit. Now, first, the stop price is the price that you are going to want to be exiting at, which is 100. We said 9,143. That's our price. That's what we said, right? So you are typing here the price. Now here there is another price. What is the second price right here? Basically, when the Bitcoin goes to this price, if it goes, a limit order will be triggered. A limit order, you already know what is a limit order based on here. A limit order will be triggered. Now you can pick for this limit order the same price as this one, but you have the risk that it might just dump through and your orders doesn't get filled. So I advise you to set a little bit lower price. Let's say like this, you can set a price like this. So what will happen in this way is this will play the role of a market order. Basically, the moment the price goes to your exit level, a limit order to sell at 9,100 will be set. But since the price is going to be at this level, your order will be executed right at this moment, and you will exit the trade on the same moment. Now, if you are trading with the bigger positions, I don't advise you to do that kind of trick, because um, there might not be liquidity and you might get a much different price than this one. So you can use the same number here, set your, here we click the 100% of our balance, and you can click sell, confirm. Here you can see if the last price drops to or below 9,143, which is our stop level, an order to sell, this is the amount at this price, will be placed. You are setting confirm, and you can see now that you have this here, this order, which are, here are the open orders, right? Here are the closed orders. Now this order is going to be open unless price comes down here and hit it, right? If it does not, it's not going to be closed. Now I'll show you what is the other type, OCO. Now if you want to completely automate this trade, just like what we said, you remember we are buying here because we are thinking that it's going to go here, but we want to be protected at exit if it falls below here. So if you want to completely automate everything, you can do the following. Let's just cancel this right now, and you can use the OCO. What does OCO means? It means one cancels another. So basically what you can do is you can set an order to sell the amount that we have, to either sell it at this price or sell it at this price, basically, because there is no other option, right? The Bitcoin, I mean the price of this Bitcoin will either go below here at some point, or it will go above here at some point, right? So, and this is our trade idea, right? You are entering here because you want to sell it here, or if it goes, and you are wrong, if it goes here, you want to sell it here. This is when the OCO comes into place. Now first is the limit price. What is the limit price? The limit price is your take profit, basically. You are betting that the Bitcoin will go to 9,800, right? So here you will put 9,800, and under is the stop limit that I already show you, which is 9,143, 9,100, in order to exit instantly. Now you will click here, 100% of your Bitcoin. Now what is this order again? When you click this, an order will be set, and again, to be clearer for you, what will happen with this order? We know that the price will either go below here first or go here first, right? It cannot go, even if it goes side, I mean, even if it continues to stay here for a very long time, at some point it will do one of the two things. It will either go below here where you want to exit and eat your loss, or it will either go here where you want to exit and get your profit, right? So this is what you will do with this order. And the moment one of these two things happen, it will automatically execute your order and cancel the other one. It will cancel. So let's say that the price goes here first, it will automatically exit your position and close the other position right here, right? So this is the purpose of this order, and this is actually a very good tool, because once you enter your trade, you can exit it. I mean, you can set it automatically how to exit, and you don't have to look at it anymore. Now what we are seeing is that the price went up. So let's just market sell the Bitcoin that we bought for the example and see what happened. Now we bought here at 9,377. We sold at 9,398. You see that there is a difference, so we basically made 30 cents. We made 30 cents while we were talking about these videos, because we bought at this price here, and then we sold at this price, so we made even a little bit of money, like 30 cents for a candy or something, while we were doing that. So these are the three types of orders that you are going to need, basically, and that you are going to use, and the explanations behind it. I hope this was useful to you, and after that we are going to talk about. Hello guys, and welcome back. Now in this video I want to touch a little bit about the chart, right? I already showed you the three different options here. However, if you are going to use technical analysis and some indicators in the basic in the basic I mean in the classic interface here, you are not really allowed to add indicators. So if you are going to add indicators, if you want to add indicators, you will have to go to the advanced. But just like we already talked before in the video, the advanced, it's the same. I mean, it looks a little bit different, but everything is the same. Here are your buyers, sellers. Here is where you place your orders, the three type of orders, right? Buy and sell. Here is the amounts. Here are your assets under. Here is the open orders, the order history, trade history, and here is your chart. Now, here you will be able to add indicators, right? You can pick the trading view one and you will be able to add indicators here. Now let's add stochastic and let's add let's just remove the or we can stick with the volume. Let's add moving average and moving average exponential, right? Let's make this full screen so it's going to be easier for us. So I will show you something. First, before I show you here, I supposed to show you the time frames, right? So here are the time frames that you are going to be using: the hourly time frames, the minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly, and you can pick. Basically, let's just pick 4 hour time frame. Make it big, and we have to do a little bit of an adjustment here. You will click here in this and you will set 200, the length as 200. So this is the moving average. You will make it a red, make it more bright and a little bit thicker, right? And you click cancel. Doing the same for the other one, just the red, the color is going to be a little bit different. Let's pick something like this. I mean still red but a little bit yeah, and we're gonna put it for 200 periods again, right? And you're going to click OK. Now the stochastic, what are these settings? Just give me a second. So you have to change it to format here. I don't know why they make the smooth one. Just change it from 1 to 3 and click OK. Now you have basically everything that you need for what I'm going to show you. I will show you basically a little bit of how you can make a little bit of a trading. But if you are not really into that, I advise you, I have courses with strategies and all this stuff. You have to pick it, but still for the purpose of that, I want to show you a little bit of an example how you can take some trades with these two moving averages and the stochastic that I show you how to put on your chart on Binance, right? So what you are going to be looking for is you're going to be looking for when the stochastic goes. What is the stochastic? This is the orange line and the blue line. You are going to be waiting for these two lines to go below the 20 level or to go above the 80 level. Now also you have to be looking at where is the price. Is it above these two moving averages or is it below? Now when the price is above, you will be waiting for the stochastic to cross below the 20 level. When the price is below, you will be waiting for the price to cross above to take a trade, right? But basically you are going to be taking only long trades, so the only thing that you are going to need is the price to be above these two levels and the stochastic to go below 20. This is everything actually that you are going to need, right? Because so far you are not going to be margin trading, shorting and all this stuff, so ignore ignore everything and just focus on if the price is above these two lines, and when this, I mean if the price is above these two red lines, when stochastic goes below here, you will be looking for longs once it starts to cross above the 20 level again. So you can enter when the stochastic is it's crossing above the 20 level again. So first you are waiting. So basically you have, let me write here the criteria for you. Very quick. So you want the price to be above the two red lines, which are this one, the moving average and the exponential moving average, and you want the stochastic to cross below the 20 level, right? The 20 level is right here. Now, these are your criteria. Then for entry, your entry is going to be yes, so this is going to be your entry. So this is everything basically that you need for this a little bit of a strategy that I'm giving you right now, so you can practice and start trading. But if you want to go more advanced, you can check my courses, just like I said. And I advise you, if you are going to practice this, just do it with very small amounts. Now, your criteria are again the price to be above these two levels. If it's in between, it's okay, but if it's below two of them, you are not taking this trade, right? If it has to be above or at least one of these two lines. Now, the next thing you are waiting is for this to go below the 20 level, and the third, and then your entry is when this stochastic is crossing above the 20 level, which is right here, right? So it happens right on this candle. So what you are going to do, you are going to buy on this candle. Let me see you are going to buy on this candle, right? Because you can see right on this candle the stochastic is crossing above, so you are going to buy at 6,587, and you see so far the price is right now at this point the price is 36%, right? So you're going to make 36% on this trade. So this is it, basically what you need. Now you see when the price is below these two lines, you are ignoring these signals. When price is above again, let's see here, price is above these two lines, this is your first criteria. The second one is when this cross below the 20. Now your entry, you are waiting for this to go above here, right? So at this candle you are entering, your stop loss is going to be below these levels, and again you made a lot of money, right? Basically you made a lot of money. I mean 11%. So you can do this on different time frames, but I just show you on the 4 hour. You can pick another time frame, basically whatever suits you. You can try. So this is this little strategy that I wanted to show you. It's not little, it's actually very good strategy, and I mean it's a professional strategy actually, but yeah, I'm showing it to you quickly here. If you want to learn some more strategies and stuff like this, you can check my other courses. But anyway, I gave you a little bit of a way to start trading on the Binance. And yeah, you will have to use if you are going to use this strategy and to do some charting here, you are going to need the to go on the just like I show you, the advanced interface, right? Not on the classic one. If you don't need that and you are going to be buying or selling based on something else, you just need to go to the more simple interface, it's much easier, right? And we already talked about it. I showed you basically everything on it. So this is it for the video. Hello guys and welcome. Now this video is going to be about application. Some people are saying that knowledge is a power. No, knowledge is a potential power. Without application, the knowledge is just a potential power. So this is why I will ask you for application in this video. I will leave a link under this video to Binance, and I will ask you to use this link and to register in Binance. And after you register in Binance, I will ask you to go here, buy crypto USDT. Now this is when you log in, this is the page that you are going to see, and I'll ask you to go in the menu and buy crypto with a debit or credit card. Now I already explained you, I already showed you the way where you can buy cryptocurrencies with almost no fees, right? But for the purpose of this video and for the purpose of the application, I will ask you to buy very small amount, just like $20, 15 or $20 with your credit or debit card, right? And don't worry about the fees. On $20 amount, the fees are going to be nothing, right? I mean, totally nothing. Now you already have the knowledge how to buy cryptocurrencies when you want to invest later on bigger amounts, right? But for the purpose again of this video, you are just going to buy only for 15, 20, whatever amount you like, but just a small amount, and you are going to buy Bitcoin with this amount, and you are going to start practicing to buy and sell, start getting used to the interface and the exchange, and you can start using the strategy. With $20, the minimum amount to open a trade on Binance is $10. So with $20 you can already open and close trades without a problem, and use the strategy that I will give you later on, because I'll give you a trading strategy. But first you can just buy and sell just to get used to it, and then later on you can start using the strategy as well, and once you see that you are making some profits, you can add more money to that. But in this video I'm just asking you for one thing, and it's not that, I mean, you are not doing favor to me, you are doing favor to yourself, because you have to apply these things in order to get used to it, and you already spend money to buy this course and you are investing your time to use it. So now please follow this advice and buy crypto, use the link, register in Binance, buy Bitcoin for $20, and start getting used to it, start getting used to trading, to buying and selling. And now I'll show you why. So now if you are getting a little bit confused here, let me switch this to a line chart, because probably with this but actually you have to get used to the candlestick, right? So what are you seeing right now? You are seeing the weekly chart. This is the weekly time frame. You remember when we were talking about we will talk later on in this course about time frames. This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Now you know that Bitcoin was created in 2009 and it started from zero, right? Now it's 9,500. Just imagine that you started somewhere here in the beginning of 2016. In the beginning of 2016, the price of Bitcoin was $300, right? Almost $400. So from that point on until that point now, this is how many, like 20 times the price, 20 times the price. So let's say that you started that time, you started to learn to trade, you started to invest, you are going to make a lot of money on the way, right? You are going to have a lot of money right now. So now of course it's normal to think that it's already high, but people are expecting it to go much higher than here, right? People are expecting to do something like it has done before from this point on. So it's actually the perfect moment right now to start learning, start getting used to it, start investing a little bit, trading a little bit, learning more and more and more, because this is the future. This is the future, and this is a way for you to basically make money and secure your future, right? I mean, it doesn't matter how old you are, but everyone wants security, right? So everyone have dreams to have financial freedom. So this is your chance, and now it's a good opportunity to start doing that, right? So again, I'm asking you just to register with the link to buy Bitcoin for $20, or if you want a little bit more, whatever you want, and start getting used to it, because this is how you will start applying already what you are learning, and this is going it has the potential to bring you amazing rewards in the future.